Welcome back, guys. In this lesson we will see how to perform delete operation again using MVVM, and this is going to be the last video for MVVM. So once more we will go back to Visual Studio. Now, just like all other commands that we have created, once again we need to create a command for delete. So first we will start by creating a delete command, not this property. Say relay command, delete command, delete. We don't need any setter for it. Now when it comes to creating the instance of this command, once again we need a method which can be passed as the parameter, because our relay command class here, see, it takes an action delegate as parameter. So we'll create a method public void say delete. Delete method is going to call our service, and in our service, if you see, the delete method accepts just the ID. So we need to get the ID which is written in the ID text box, and our ID text box is binded with the ID property of current employee. So again, with the help of current employee, you will take the ID. So here we'll start by putting a try and catch block. Again, exception we will handle. In case of any exceptions, we will display the message in our message property ex.message, and here var is deleted equals to obj employee service dot delete, and now we need to pass the ID. We'll say update employee, current employee dot ID. We'll just pass the ID. Then we'll check the value of is deleted. In case if it is true, that means the employee has been deleted. So we'll display a message to the user. We'll say message equals to employee deleted, and we will also call load data method. Else we'll say message equals delete operation failed. Let's run. Oh, one last thing, we need to do data binding, as well as we need to create an instance of this command. So we will go back to the constructor and we'll create the instance. We'll say delete command equals to new relay command, and the method that we will execute is delete. And we will also do data binding with our views button. So we will go back to the view, we will select the button, and we will say command equals binding path equals say delete command. All right, let's run. We'll give in a wrong ID first, 102, and we will say delete. Delete operation failed. Now we'll give a proper ID 101 and we'll say delete. It's deleted. So as you have seen, using MVVM we can create applications wherein we can achieve separation of concerns, like my view is not dependent over here on my model. I can test this view without creating a model, as well as when it comes to creating the models, I can test my models without creating any views. And it is also possible to test your view models, because these are also simple classes. You can create objects of these classes and you can write unit tests for each one of these methods which we have. Like over here we have these methods save and all, we have these commands, we can perform unit testing for all these operations. And once more, I'd like to create a region here, say delete we'll say and region. So this way, using MVVM, you can create your applications. You will be able to achieve separations of concerns, as well as developer and designer can work together at the same time on the application. A designer can create the views, and during that time the developer can create the models and the view models. And it will also be very easy to manage this application when it comes to changes. So that's all for MVVM.